my birthday purchases came yesterday. Yeah, this one took a little while, but I thought we'd open it together. I don't do unboxings very often, but Let's Make Art sells off some of their, I think it, I'm not even 100% sure, but I think it's the excess stuff from their kits, or maybe it's just the stuff they sold in their kits. I don't know. But they had a big sale, and it was my birthday month, and of course I bought some stuff at the sale because it was my birthday month. Anybody else just totally go nuts your birthday month? I do. Yeah, it's kind of pathetic, but I do. Okay, so I thought we would see what all I got. Alright, so I use a ton of paper towels, so I thought I would get a cloth for in here. And it says, I promise to be kind to myself. But it's just, you know, cloth for in here. I don't know. It was a little bit of an impulse purchase. Alright, so I've been wanting to try these Amsterdam paints. And so I just picked, oh, hang on. They had just some neutrals going. Here we go. So I just grabbed some of the neutrals. Because, I mean, you always need neutrals. So let me go here through it all to do each color. So this one is, let me figure out where they put the name of the color. Where do they put the name of the color? Excellent question. Okay, that's the thing when you get new paints, you gotta figure out where. She's got a number, PR101, but surely there's a name to the color as well. Oh, here it is. It's Burnt Sienna. I'm sitting here looking at it thinking it's got to be some version of Burnt Sienna, but yeah, it is. It's Burnt Sienna. Okay. So I got Burnt Sienna. I got, now that I know where it is, a Warm Gray. I love that they call this Warm Gray because to me it looks like taupe or putty, but they call it Warm Gray. So we'll see. Then I got Neutral Gray. And then I got Burnt Umber. And, of course, Titanium White. Because you can never have too much Titanium White. Alright. So, pins. Y'all know I've got... Where is mine? Where is mine? Where is mine? Where is mine? Okay. I can't seem to lay eyes on it right this second. But y'all know I have one of these Clean Color metallic dot pens. I love it. Just love it. So they had these on their clearance. So I just grabbed a couple of more. And then they also had this Zig metallic pen. So I grabbed it. And a Mono Twin pen. So I grabbed it. Because, you know, you can't have too many pens. And then in the Zig, they also had the silver. So I got it. Let me see if I can get all these in this holder over here. That was only intended to ever hold my little brushes. And now it holds brushes and pens. And oh, there's... And that's where my Zig Color Dot pen is. But he's kind of getting a little sad. So I did need a new one. Okay. Alright, so they had some P.H. Martins. So I got Matte Black. Because y'all know I do love liquid acrylics, especially if they have a dropper. I got Matte Black. I got Violet. Anybody else with the doppers? Alright, and then this one didn't have a dropper. I'm trying to say dropper and dauber at the same time. How about eyedropper? But it was the iridescent silver calligraphy ink. And I have the gold, and I really like it. So I thought I'd try the silver. Okay, so there's some of those. Alright, and then this was a little kit. Well, I'll do the kit last. Because I think the other stuff's in the kit as well. Alright, so let's do Dylusion sprays. I do love Dylusion sprays. They're fun to play with. And they were discounted pretty good. I think they were either $1 something or $2 even each. So let's see. I got Tangerine Dream, Fiery Sunset, Calypso Teal, London Blue, Matte Gray, Slate Gray. It's a weird font. It was hard to read at first. Slate Gray. This should be Lemon Zest. It is. This should be Island Parrot. Balmy Night. And Black Marble. So some of these are colors that I've had in the past, and some of these were new colors. I just went through and basically picked colors I like. Now, I tried to pick either the same or similar colors in the Dylusions paints, because I had the paints in the wide mouth jars, like they first came out, and all of them, when I went to use them, they're all dried up. So I needed to replace them anyway. So I've got Balmy Night. They didn't have violet, so I got Crushed Grape. They did have the Calypso Teal, so I got it, but I don't think they had the London Blue. I had ordered, this is Pink Flamingo. I had ordered Pink Flamingo in the spray, but when they went to ship, they sent me a notice that it was, they had run out and refunded me. So, oh well. Then, Tangerine Dream, and this should be Fiery Sunset, and it is. And then this should be Lemon Zest. No, Pure Sunshine. So I guess I didn't have the Lemon Zest. And then in the greens, I got Cut Grass and Mushy Peas. Okay. So then I also got this kit. So let's put this over here in the Kittens art making area and talk about this. So this was a Make Your Mark kit. It's just a cute little, see, make your own little thing. And I don't know, I thought it would be a fun thing to do one day, you know, just like those other kits I used to get. So it's got, let's see. This has got liquid watercolor in Space Blue, Tangerine, and then it's got gold. And I think this is that Stay Bright White, I think is what they call it. So anyway, and I guess that's what you make. I'm not real sure. Again, it was, I don't know. It was a sale item, and I thought it looked fun. So, okay, so I've got that. So I'll save this out to do as a kit one day. But that is the last of the art supplies for my birthday. But I got a lot of good stuff. Bye, y'all.